Good morning, sir. My name is Dipesh Karki. My father name is Gopal Karki. My mother name is Rita Karki. My age is 30 years old. My height 5 feet 5 inch. My education is 10th pass. My experience 3 years in kitchen helper from Gorkha Kitchen, Damak. Thank you, sir.